guys, so we, in case you haven't seen my Instagram or my other channel, we have moved to North Carolina and our family is out here. And we have just shopped at Harris Teeter for the very first time. I've never been into a Harris Teeter before. Lily just went potty. So I figured I'd just go ahead and do a haul for you guys, just a grocery haul. We literally had nothing, like no groceries. It was a big one and it was cheap. I got all of this stuff and I think it was like 220 bucks, which I feel like I got a lot of stuff, and I had to get like ketchup and mayonnaise and like mustard and all silly things like that, and butter. So I feel like it was really a lot cheaper than it is in the West Coast. So hey, that's exciting. First we got pickles. Phoenix loves pickles. I do not. The only bummer is I could not find our favorite salsa, which is like the fresh salsa, and I couldn't find it anywhere there. So I don't know. We got the is it pace picante?
Let me see.
It's okay. I mean, I'd rather have the other one, but hey. Then we had to get some mustard. So we got the, oh, Lily, you're gonna knock this off, baby.
Sorry.
So we got some yellow mustard, some spicy brown mustard. Are you taking the bags? You take the bags away for me.
I want to pull out some too.
What, baby?
More raspberries. Some salad.
We got a salad for Daddy for work tomorrow.
Hey.
Ooh, we got some cinnamon rolls. And we got some crescent dough sheets to make our little pinwheels. We got some Cabot Vermont extra sharp cheddar cheese. We used to get this cheese all the time in Montana. I couldn't find Tillamook anywhere, but I think Tillamook is like a West Coast thing, so I know that that's good sharp cheddar. We got some baby carrots, some mushrooms.
Mushroom eggies.
Okay, some whole peeled eggs, just so that it's easy. It's like for Jay to take to work.
Eggie.
We got some yellow onions.
Onion.
Some
lemon.
Some garlic, some lemons. We found the little McCain Smile mashed potato shapes. I used to eat these all the time when I was a kid. I love them so much. I'm so excited. Eggo chocolate chip bites.
And we got some butter.
Some butter. Some Danimals. Oh, some Mexican cheese for quesadillas. Medium shells. We got bow ties.
We got Krispies.
We got Rice Krispies and Cocoa Krispies. Okay, we got some Pam olive oil spray, some crunchy peanut butter. I was looking for the natural one from Skippy that was like crunchy, but I couldn't find it anywhere. Okay, we got some chicken broth because I'm gonna make some turkey and kale soup. Ritz crackers, some country peach passion tea, some crisp or Crips pink apples, some mandarin oranges, some Cascadian Farm berry vanilla puffs. Phoenix likes these ones. Some applesauce. These are the Go-Go Squeeze. Lily really likes these ones. Some ketchup, russet potatoes, carrots, cilantro because we're having tacos for dinner, some Italian seasoning, and then we got rosemary or a pear. There was only one soft one. Celery for the soup, an English cucumber, and then in here we have some chicken breast and some ground turkey, some almond milk. This is the Califia Farms. I was surprised they had this actually. I don't know why. I was thinking it would be a different brand, but we got some mayonnaise, some Classico 4-cheese pasta sauce. Sweet little baby potatoes, aren't they so cute? Spinach for the pinwheels and for smoothies, some broccoli, Caesar salad kit, the YQ by Yoplait strawberry yogurts. These are so good, guys. Oh my God, you have got to try these things. They taste like Petit Filou yogurts from England, except for they're like an actual adult size. They're so good. We got some Magnum double caramel ice cream bars for Daddy because he loves those and it is the weekend. More of those yogurts, some frozen peas for pinwheels, more Danimals, more yogurts. I just love them. The peach is my favorite, but they didn't have peach. Barbecue ranch chopped salad. It's got cabbage, broccoli, carrots, bacon, tortilla strips. We got some avocados, shallots, some lettuce because we're having tacos tonight, chicken nuggets. They're the dinosaur chicken nuggets, which is very, very fun. More extra sharp cheddar cheese. Some hummus, the Sabra hummus. I don't know how I've said that wrong. Sour cream for tacos. Then we got some salami, kale for the soup, bell peppers for the hummus, zucchini. So that was everything from Harris Teeter. And then we also went to World Market and got some things. These are like the treats. These are the yum yums, okay? This is why I need to stop eating them because my tummy is growing. Anyway, this is the Thai food decaf, but we haven't had any of these treats for such a long time because we've been on the road and then we got here and then we've been moving and I'm like, you know what? I am stressed out. I've been doing a lot of stuff and I haven't even had a hobnob for so long. So I got some hobnobs. We got some Heinz baked beans. The kids loved baked potatoes and baked beans. It's so good. Then we got the Baxter's potato and leek soup. These are all from World Market. More baked beans. They're actually cheaper at World Market than they are at Harris Teeter. They did have these at Harris Teeter, but the price was like almost $5 versus like $2.99. Then I got some Heinz cream of tomato soup. Because it's been chilly, huh? It's been raining. So we thought we could have some soup and some yummy sandwiches. Some more baked beans. More baked beans. So many baked beans. Aha, and then they had hobnobs. 55% off. So I think I got these for like less than $2, I'm pretty sure, or $2 or something like that. But they were on sale for 55% off. How amazing is that? Yes, we got some Carabao mini rainbow frogs. That was a sneaky sneak. Then we got the Bisto because Thanksgiving is coming up and I love that gravy. It is so good. Don't know how you say this, but it's basically like Jaffa cakes. Haven't had these for like years. So I think it was the last time I went to England I had one of those. So I think it's been like 2 years. Then we got the Mcvitie's ginger nuts biscuits. These were also 55% off. So I just got a bunch of stuff for when everyone comes over for Thanksgiving. We just have a bunch of goodies. My dad is obsessed with the Bird's custard powder, so I got him this. I don't think anyone else likes it but him, so that's for my dad. And then I got the Mcvitie's penguins. These are so fun for the kids to have occasionally in their lunches. They're like little chocolate biscuits, and I used to have them when I was little. I don't get it every single time, but like occasionally every few months I'll get them for like a week of school lunches, and it's just like a nice little chocolate biscuit treat. And then we got another thing of the Mcvitie's hobnobs as well. And that is everything. Whoops, everything's falling off. So there's our huge, massive grocery haul. I'm just surrounded by cookies and treats and all the yummies. This is like my... Oh, and then we have a massive, huge receipt. So many things. So many things, Lilybug. Now we have to put it all away. Oh. Yep. You want to say goodbye? Bye-bye. Miss Lil's my helper. She's been helping me unpack and everything, haven't you? She's very good. So thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna go put all this away now. We hope you guys enjoyed our grocery haul. We love you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Bye.